5 appears 7 times, 10 appears 4 times, 15 appears 6 times, 20 appears 3 times, and 25 appears 5 times. And what is this called as? Sigma Fi Xi. What is sigma Fi Xi? 350. Either the last mean deviation about mean or the last mean deviation about median compulsory for your board exam. 26 by 2. What is 26 by 2? 13. So 13th and next observation. 13th plus 14th observation by 2 you should do. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with problems of statistics. See, in my last class I taught you mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median for ungrouped data. In today's session, I'll be discussing for grouped data. In exercise 15.1, find the mean deviation about the mean for the data in the exercise 5 and 6. Two problems they give. See, data given xi means xi, fifth question, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5. These are the observations. Frequencies they give. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Dear students, frequency means number of times. 5 appears 7 times, 10 appears 4 times, 15 appears 6 times, 20 appears 3 times, and 25 occurs 5 times. So, xi and fi they have given, and they want you to find the mean for the data. So, mean deviation for the data about mean. So, first you should know the formula. For grouped data, first you should find mean. So, mean, how to calculate mean? We say x bar is sigma fi xi, means sum of all the values of product of f and x divided by sigma f. Sigma f, dear students, sigma f we can also call it as capital N. So, this is the formula we use to calculate mean. Mean is what? Sigma fi xi divided by capital N. N means what? Sum of the frequencies. First, we should do table and calculate for this. Then we need to calculate mean deviation. So, mean deviation formula. So, mean deviation is again sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar means mean divided by capital N. So, writing these two formulae, you will get 1 mark. You write the formula, you will get 1 mark. And after you write the formula, depending on the formula, you can construct the table. First, memorize the formula for mean for grouped data. Grouped data means what? When they give frequency. When they give frequency, mean is sigma fi xi divided by sigma f. Instead of sigma f, you can also call it as n. So, mean is what? Sigma fi xi by capital N. And mean deviation is what? Sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. And xi minus x bar is what? Deviation. So, now this is the formula. So, two formula, you should become thorough. Once you are done with the formula, then you can do the problems. Now, going ahead. So, first we have to construct table of xi fi. So, first our task is to calculate mean. In order to calculate mean, we have to make a table. So, xi 5, 10, 15, whatever they give. See, if you refer, they give xi values 5, 10, 15. So, now I want to construct table and see the formula. In the mean formula, we have fi into xi, summation by n. So, numerator is what? Fi into xi. So, make a column of fi xi. So, one column is x, one column is f. These two are given in the problem. And fi xi, multiply. So, xi, what is xi given, students? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Xi I wrote in column. Then fi, frequencies. So, 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. You add in the second column. Now, multiply these two. So, 7 5s are 35. fi xi means what? Product of these two. Multiply these two. fi into xi. 5 into 7, 35. 10 into 4, 40. 15 6 are 90. 20 into 3, 60. 25 into 5, 125. So, make a column fi xi. So, what we have done? First, we have done xi. We entered whatever is given. Then, we have done fi, whatever is given. See, these two columns are simple. What is given? I have entered. What is given? 5, 10, 15. Xi, they give 5, 10, 15. Then, they give 20, 25. I have entered it. Then, frequencies. Whatever is given. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Whatever is given, I have entered. So, till this it is simple. Given, I have written. The next column I should make product of these two, fi into xi, multiply these two. 7 5s are 35. Like that we have filled it. 7 into 5, 10 into 4, like that. 10 into 4, 40, then 15 into 6. So keep on adding, so keep on, so 19. Like that you fill the table. Then 60, then 25 5 is 125. We have added. So third column is done. Now fourth column. See, in the formula we want mean, right? Mean is what? What is mean, dear students? Mean is sigma fi xi by n. Then we need mean deviation. What is mean deviation formula? Sigma fi into xi minus x bar by n. N means sum of the frequencies. So you should add this. Use a calculator and you can add it. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 25. We call this as n. We call this as what? N. So in the table, so see, this we added, this is called as capital N. So we got n. N is what? 25. Sum of the frequencies is n. That we should calculate. We have added, this is n. Now further, after fi xi, in the formula of mean deviation, we have fi into xi minus x bar. Fi into what we have? Xi minus x bar is there. So make another column, xi minus x bar modulus. Make what? Xi minus x bar modulus. To do this, first your task is to find mean. So now I have to find mean. How to find mean? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi means I should add this column also. If I add this, sum of this, so from the table you add it. So 125 plus 60 plus 90 plus 40 plus 35, you add and write it here. And what is this called as? Sigma fi xi. What is sigma fi xi? 350. So now we can calculate mean. What is mean? Sigma fi xi divided by capital N. Sigma fi xi is available 350. Means fi xi column, if you add, sigma means summation, you will get 350, that is numerator, divided by n. N means what? Sum of the frequencies, that is 25. Divide it. 25 ones are 25, 10, 100, 25 fours are 14 is the mean. First you should get x bar you got 14, 1 4. Your task is to get mean. Now every observation, xi you subtract with 14, 5 minus 14, see, modulus of xi minus x bar means first observation. What is first observation? 5 minus x bar. What is x bar? 14. 5 minus 14 gives you minus 9. Modulus of minus 9 is plus 9. Always you will get positive. Like that we enter. Then subtract 10. 10 minus 14 gives you 4. Enter. 15 minus 14 is minus 1. Modulus is 1. Enter. Then 20 minus 14, 6. Then 25 minus 14, 11. So all the values you enter. Now, so we have entered modulus of xi minus x bar. See, if I want to make this column, first our task is to find mean. In order to find mean, use the formula for mean. What is the formula for mean? Sigma fi xi by n. Sigma fi xi means, see, the column, second, third column, this you add it. So if you add this column, you will get this. This is sigma fi xi. What is that? 350. Divided by n. N means what? Sum of the frequencies 25. Divided, you will get 14. 14 is what? Mean. So every observation you subtract from mean. 5 minus 14, 10 minus 14, 15 minus 14, 20 minus 14, 25 minus 14 and put in modulus. So it will be positive always. So you will get this column. Now you should do mean deviation. You know the formula for mean deviation. What is the formula for mean deviation? Formula for mean deviation is sigma xi fi into sigma. Mean deviation is what? Sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n, right? So numerator is sigma fi into xi minus x bar. So I should multiply this frequency with this. These two you should multiply and write this column. So means 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63. Then 4 into 4, 16. Then 6 1s are 6. Then 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18. And 5 into 125. Sorry, 5 into 11, 55. So fi and modulus of xi minus x bar you multiply, you will get a column. Now you add this column 63 plus 16 plus 6 plus 18 plus this. If you add, you will get this number. What we call this number as sigma fi into xi minus x bar. Xi into x bar, you got this. Now you go to calculate mean deviation. So what is mean? We got 14 already. Mean deviation formula. What is mean deviation? Sigma x fi into xi minus xr by n. So from the table, sigma means sum of this. Sigma fi into xi minus x bar is 158. So numerator is 158 divided by n. N means sum of the frequencies, that is 25. 158 by 25, use calculator, you will get 6.32. So simple. Making the column, making the table. In table, what are the entries? So what are the entries? First is xi, observations, then is frequency, then is fi into xi, then we have modulus of xi minus x bar, then we have fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So if these are the entries, or these are the columns in table, or heading of each column I have written. So make a table like this, and then if you add this, if you add the column of frequencies, you will get n, and if you add this column, you will get sigma fi xi, and if you add this column, you will get sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. That's it. I hope all of you got this, and use the formula and you'll get it. Same thing, they gave xi 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, fi they gave 4, 24, 28, 16. They want you to find mean deviation from mean. Regularly asked important 5 mark question for your PUC board. So now what is the conclusion? First we should make a table. What is the table? Table should contain xi, entries of xi, then entries of fi, then fi into xi. So first we'll do this to get the mean, then we'll prolong. So now what are the xi entries? 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Then frequencies 4, 24, 28, 4, 24, 28, 16, 8. Then fi xi, product of these two. Now our task is to multiply. Multiply these two, 10 4s are 40, 24 into 3. So go on multiplying, you will get this entries. 720, then 50 into 28, 50 into 28, 1400. Use calculators, and further 70 into 16, 1120, and 90 into 60 is 90 into 8, 720. So fi xi values. Now what you should do? First your task is to find mean. Without that you can't complete the table. How to find mean? Sigma fi xi divided by n. Means n, what is meant by n, dear students? N is sum of the frequencies, sigma fi. So now add all the frequencies here. If I add all the frequencies, I'll get n. So 4 plus 24, 28, 28 plus 28, that is 76, 76, sorry, 28 plus 28 plus 28, 56, 56 plus 16 plus 8. So if you add, you will get 80. Sum of the frequencies gives you what? 80. Add all, you will get 80. Then add this column, fi xi summation. So 720 plus 1120 plus 1400 plus 720 plus 40. If you add all, you will get 4000. You get what? 4000. Now go to calculate mean. What is mean? Sigma x, numerator is sigma fi xi, means the column 4000 it gives. What we call this column as? This column is called as summation of, summation means sigma fi xi. After you add all, we will get this. So 4000 divided by n means sum of the frequencies, that is 80. 0, 0 cancels. 8 5s are 40, 50. Mean you got 50. So first your task is to get mean. What is the mean of grouped data? Sigma fi xi by n. Now you go for deviations. Modulus of xi minus x bar. Now you fill. Means each observation you start subtracting from x bar. So means 10 minus 50 minus 40. Modulus of minus 40 is 40. 10 minus 50 modulus gives you what? Minus 40 modulus. Modulus of negative is positive. Then 30 minus 50, 20. 50 minus 50, 0. 70, 20. And this will give you 90 minus 40. That's it. Then you do Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Means you have to multiply frequency with this, multiply them. So if you multiply 4 into 40, 160, 24 into 24, 80, and 28 into 0, 0, 16 into 20, 320, and 40 into 2, 40 into 8, 320. That's it. Now, as usual, you should add this. If you add, you will get sigma Fi into xi minus x bar. Now, we will add all these things like this, you will get 1280. Use calculator. You got this. Now, you go to what? Mean deviation. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation formula is sigma Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. So, this is 1280 and n means sum of the frequencies, this is 80, 0, 0 cancels, simplify this, you will have both are divisible by 4, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 2s are 32 by 2 and again divisible 16. So, mean deviation you got 16. I hope all of you got this. So, clear presentation is here. So, xi make a column, frequency make a column, these two are given in the problem, multiply these two and fill this column and then add all the frequencies, you will get 80, add all this, you will get this. Then to fill this column, first you should calculate what is called as mean deviation. Mean, what is mean? Sigma Fi xi by n. So, in the table, sigma Fi xi, sum of this gives you 4000, substitute it. From the table, n means sum of the frequencies, that gives 80, substitute it, you will get 50 as the mean. And now from each element, subtract it xi minus x bar, means subtract 50 with this each element and take modulus, you will get 40, 20, 0, 20, 40, then multiply these two, you will get this column. So, now you have this entry. What is this entry called as? Summation of Fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, and you have n. This is n. So, once you know n and this, use the formula. What is mean deviation? Sigma Fi into xi minus x bar by n, that is 1280 divided by 80, that will give you 16. That's it. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead with the problem 7. So, dear students, 7th problem is different. Again, they want you to find what? Mean deviation. But they want you to find mean deviation about median. About what? Median. They want you to find mean deviation about median. So, usual. So, xi and Fi is given. So, make two columns. One is xi, one is Fi. Xi entries are what? 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi means frequencies. 8, 6. This is given in the problem. Substitute them. Then you should find cumulative frequency. What you should find? Cumulative frequency. See, cumulative frequency means what? We should add. So, what is first one? You write 8. Now, add this diagonally. 8 plus 6 is 14. Then 14 we have. Add 14 to this. 14 plus 2, 16. Then 16 plus 2, 18. Then we have 18, 18. Next element you add. 18 plus 2, 20. For 20 you add next 20 plus 6, 26. And sum of the frequencies and last entry should match. So, now we have done cumulative frequency. So, what is the third column? If they ask you to find mean deviation about median, you should make cumulative frequency. So, cumulative frequency means what? First frequency you write as it is. Then for this you add the next frequency. 8 plus 6 diagonal. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now, you got 14. For 14 you add the next one. 14 plus 2, 16. For 16 you add this. 14 plus 16 plus 2, 18. For 18 you add this. 18 plus 2, 20. For 20 you add this. 20 plus 6, 26. And remember, the last entry of cumulative frequency and sum of frequencies should be same. Otherwise, check somewhere you would have done wrong. Otherwise, one entry is wrong means you will not get answer. Now, we wrote cumulative frequency. Now, our task is to find median. Our task is to find median. There are 26 observations. So, there are how many observations? 26. N means sum of the frequencies. The total number of observations is 26. If you see, this is sum of the frequencies. 26 different observations are there. 26 is an even number. So, now median value is, so median is half of it. So, median is n by 2, sorry, median. How to calculate median? I taught you. Median means middle value. So, n by 2th plus next term, next by 2. Average of n by 2th observation and next observation. What is n by 2? 26 by 2. What is 26 by 2? 13. So 13th and next observation, 13th plus 14th observation by 2 you should do. So now 13th observation and 14th observation you add and divide by 2. So 13th observation means inside the cumulative phrase, this is 8, this is 14. Your 13 and 14 both are inside this. So 13th observation means in the cumulative frequency, where is 13? So in 14, 8 to this is 8. Inside it we don't have 13. 14 means 13 and 14 are here. So you should see this observation. What is this observation? 7. So you should pick this observation. 13th observation is also 7 and 14th observation. 14 is also in the same. 14th observation is also 7. 7 plus 7 by 2 is 7. This is the median. So if n is even number, n by 2th observation and next observation you should take average. So now n by 2 means 26 by 2. 26 by 2 is 13. 13th and 14th observation you take average. 13th and 14 are inside the 14. So go to the cumulative frequency. Where is 13? 13 is inside the 14. So see this column, 7 is there. 14th is also here. 14th observation is also 7. So 13th observation plus 14th observation. 7 plus 7 by 2. If you do 7, you will get 7 is the median. Now you got median. So now we got median. So what is the median we got? Median is 7. 7 is the median. We call it as capital M. So now each observation you should subtract. So now going back here, xi 7. So now you got median. What is median? 7. So 5 minus 7. Modulus of 5 minus 7. This is xi minus m. So xi minus m modulus. So what is xi? Xi is the observation. Xi is the observation. What is the observation? First observation. First observation is 5 minus median. Median is 7 modulus. It will give minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. That will enter here. And similarly, 7 minus 7, 0. Then 9 minus median. 9 minus 7, 2. Then 10 minus 7, 3. Then 12 minus 7. See here, m is what? 7. So 12 minus 7, 5. 15 minus 7, 8. So xi minus m we should do. Earlier we used to do xi minus x bar, means observation minus mean we should do. But here we are doing observation minus median because they wanted to calculate mean deviation from median. Then fi into xi minus m we should do. This is fi. And this you should multiply these two. 8 2s are 16, 6 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4, and 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. 6 into 8, 48. Now you should add this. So this entry we call it as sigma fi into modulus of xi minus capital M mean divided by n. So this is a formula. Sorry here. This column you should add. When you add this column, the summation sigma fi into modulus of xi minus m you will get. That is 48. So now here if you observe, sigma fi into xi minus m is 84. So we got 84 here by adding this, and n is sum of the frequencies, that is 26. So use the formula. Mean deviation about median is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus capital M by n or into 1 by n. 84 by 26, that is 3.2. So dear students, what is the mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about median is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus median divided by capital N. About mean means here we will take x bar mean. About median means here we will take median. So I hope all of you understood how to calculate median. So number of observations, if it's even, divided by 2, n by 2th observation plus next observation, and n by 2th observation and next observation, if you take average, you will get the median. Each observation you subtract with median, you will get xi minus m. Then product this, you will get this. And from the table, so constructing the table and solving it. So 2 problems, whatever, 3 problems totally I have done now. All 3 are important 5-mark questions. So 2 methods are also covered. Mean deviation by mean deviation by median. Please sit and practice. 1 compulsory question you can expect for your PU board exam. So thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.